Cross Laminated Timber, or CLT, is quickly growing in popularity around the world. While the product was first developed in Europe, recent years have seen Australia and North America quickly adopt the high-performing and environmentally friendly structural material. I asked Tyson Infanti from a local CLT supplier to explain the product further.
So Cross Laminated Timber is part of the mass timber family. So it's a panelised system made up of multiple layers of boards. So you can see the multiple layers here. This is a 3-layer panel, and each subsequent layer, the boards run 90 degrees to each other. So with an odd number of boards, we can make up a range of 3, 5, 7 and 9 layer panels, and with that we can make 60mm panels all the way up to 350mm panels.
If you're interested to learn more, watch the full video on our YouTube channel.